Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do posting. So we're going to just log in /wp-admin / and we'll go to the login page. We're going to log in and over here on the left hand column it says posts, and you can click all posts, new, um, categories to have posts, and tags, and we'll go through all of that. As most things on the computer, there's always more than one way to do things. Here we have posts. Up here under new, you also have posts. And the reason this is if you happen to be on the website side, this black bar is still accessible, and you can just go add post from, instead of the back of the house, the front of the house, as they say. So it doesn't really matter which way you access it. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go all posts so you can see what there is already on your website. And then I'll show you how to add a new one. So these are all the posts. These are the those 2 rows of 5 columns on the home page. Those are the posts that we have right now, and here they all are. Devil's Island, the Cirque of the Unclimbables. These are the videos here. And if you look here under categories, we have videos and blog and tags. Tags are, you know how websites always have the little search box? Well, if you put a tag on an article and somebody goes, oh, I want to know about waterfalls, they can do a search on your website for waterfalls, and everything with a tag that says waterfalls will show up. So that's basically what that is and how tags work. Anyway, if you wanted to, say, edit one of these, you'd click edit. If you wanted to get rid of it, you could trash it, or if you wanted to look at it, you can click view. And I'm just going to go to edit, drive the waterfall route, and scroll down a little. And here is the map of the Decho connection, and with all the waterfalls on the list here on the route, and a little blurby here that I typed up about, stay in Fort Simpson and all that kind of stuff. And here's a video that I put. And you can't see it here, but because if you click up here, it's all in HTML language. But if you actually went to view it, where the heck is it? Oh yeah, view post right here. Then you could see the actual video in the post. So I'll just go there so you can kind of see what it says or what it looks like. There it is, Decho connection. There's the article, and here's a video, and there it is. So we can just go back to edit. So handy to have the little black line up there to flip back and forth. And just to show you what else you can do on these on a post, and pages are the same. Uh, Posts basically get put under categories. Pages are static and are usually under your menu bar. So anyway, on the right hand side here, this particular post is published, so it's here. You can edit it and change it to unpublished, and it'll go away. It's public video. If you have like a membership site or something, you can make something only visible to members, I've had 6 revisions on this page, so I've gone in 6 different times to update or change something or add something or whatever. When I looked at it and read it over, I went, oh, I don't like this, or I want to move the picture over here, or whatever it was that I decided when I was posting it. So I did 6 revisions on this page. And if you decide you want to change something in here, or you want to say something more or whatever, you can just go in, click, type whatever you want to type. And I'll just erase that because we don't really want that there. But if you do something, then you just go here to the right hand side and you click update, and it'll update the page. And here's the categories, and because it has a video, this is on what we did on the home page. The first column or first row of 5 articles fell under blog, and the second row of 5 articles was under video, because I put the videos next. So there it is. Here's waterfall. Remember I talked about tags? Well, I can add more tags. I can put in here Dade Show Connection, add that. I might want to, say Virginia Falls as a thing. And you can just basically add as many tags as you like. If you have a number of tags on your website, and this website doesn't have that many, so this is not really, doesn't matter, but if you do decide to put more, you can go here under most used tags, and that way you're always using the same wording over and over, so that, instead of, hiking, you might have hikes, better to just keep it all hiking, instead of hike and hiking, little things like that. And this is the featured image, so this is what shows up on the home page, is the video. So that's what we've put in here, and that's basically what a post looks like. And then there's, the page options here, excuse me, which you've seen these before when we looked at the page options under the Striking Multiplex theme. Under general under page options. So here they all are again. So ease of use. So you don't have to go, where was that again? It's all here. And we basically, when we set up a website, we set all this up we default things, we set it up in a certain way so there's consistency throughout the website. So that's what takes all the time, is every single one of these things needs default set and all that. And so once we kind of decide how we've decided the layout to be, we default it all and we make it all a certain way. But you can go in and change it if you choose to, but then you want to make sure that everything's consistent throughout the site so that it has a nice flow to it. So that's what a post looks like. So let's add a new one. Here's another way to add a new post. And I'm going to go here, add new, and I'm going to call this one, this is an example. And I want to go here, and I want to go, I'm typing all kinds of words, blah, blah, blah. This is my text, And then say I want to add a photo. So what I would do is I'd go here to add media, click on it, and I would go, I want to upload something. These are all the pictures that are already on your website. So I'm going to go here, upload a photo. I'm going to find something in my computer. I don't know, let's take, here's a coffee shop picture. I'll take that one. I'll click open. You can see here it's uploading. I already have a coffee shop picture, but I'm just showing you. And once it's up, once it's finished loading, it'll actually show the photo. So there we go. I'm going to title this one Example. And I want if you want a caption underneath the photo on the page when you publish it, you can go, this is example caption. And then you go, you can designate the size, like if you want a thumbnail size or medium size. Normally we use medium. But maybe you just want to have a list of something with a little small picture beside it. You know, you can do that. And there we go. There's a smaller photo. And you can just, say you want to edit it. You can just click on the photo and there's a little edit button. Maybe you want to put it in the center of the page. Maybe you want to put it on the right-hand side. Maybe you want no alignment at all, then it defaults back. And then if you want to edit it and say, oh, I want to change the caption, I want to change, the whatever, change the size here, all that kind of stuff, this is where you do the editing. So, so that's basically how you make a post. And so when you have that, a post always has to have a category, because that tells the computer where you want it to go. So I'm going to put this under videos, and I'm going to hit publish. And I'm not going to put any tags because we don't really need any, and I'm not going to bother with a featured image. I'm just going to put it under videos, and I'm going to go publish. Which means then it'll be live on the website. And now I want to see what it looks like. Whoops, here's the view post. I want to click on that just to see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. Now let's take a look on the home page to see what it looks like there, because we put it under the category of videos. Which was the second line. So we didn't put a featured photo, so therefore there is no photo here. And we had already 5 here, but the one that was done first is now bumped off this list, and the latest one is on. So that's how this works. And so here it is. That's how, if you want to change something here or add something. I really don't want this here because it's an example. So I'm going to go read more. And then I'm going to go here where it says edit. And I'm going to go, I don't want that. So I'm going to go here to the right hand side, and I'm going to go move to trash. And as soon as it trashes it, yeah, it says here, one post moved to trash, and then here's all the existing ones. So let's go back to the home page and make sure it looks good. And we just scroll down. And here's the 5 original videos that we put in here. Now, say you want to, say you like them all, but you don't like, I don't know, maybe you don't like the Aurora watching one, for example, and you would like something else in that spot. You could just delete it and add something. I found in this nice little video on YouTube, actually taken of Fort Simpson with the Aurora. But what you could do is, if you want to just kind of replace one of them, instead of deleting and creating another one, what you could do is go in here and you can just go over this, delete it and type a new title. Go here, delete this, put some new text, click on the video and delete it. Just hit the click on it and delete hit the delete button, and then change the featured image, and basically that post will, whatever new thing you put in will replace what you just deleted. And of course you have to update to get that to happen. So this particular page had 4 revisions. I know I did the little write-up, and then one revision was the video, and then I added the Aurora Hunter link, which is for Aurora viewing in the Northwest Territories, or in the north actually. And then later I found this magnetic activity forecast from Environment Canada, so I added that. So then, you know, I had yet another revision to the post. So as I find things and I go, oh, that would be good for that page, I add it. So that's basically how you do a post. And nothing's been changed here, so I don't need to update it. And whoops, to the right hand side here. Excuse me. And that's posting, and then you just log out.